Hi,
Hi there.
how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm great. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. I love sunny weather.
It makes everything feel better.
By the way, I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you from around here?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away. What about you?
I recently moved here from Boston.
Oh, really? Welcome. Do you like it here so far?
Yeah, it's nice. People are friendly and the food is great.
That's true. There are a lot of great restaurants around.
Do you have any recommendations?
Sure, there's a small Italian place near the park. It's amazing.
Sounds great. Maybe you can show me someday.
Sure, why not?
So, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study English and psychology.
That's interesting. Your English is really good.
Thank you. I try to practice every day.
That's the best way to learn. I used to struggle with Spanish, so I get it.
Haha, learning languages is never easy.
True. But talking like this really helps.
Yes, I agree. Real conversations are the best teachers.
Do you usually come here alone?
Sometimes I like to relax, read, or just watch people.
That's nice. I came here today just to clear my head.
It's a good place for that. Peaceful and quiet.
Do you like coffee?
I love it. I can't start my day without a cup.
Same here. There's a new cafe near the station. Want to check it out sometime?
I'd love to. That sounds fun.
Cool. Maybe this weekend?
Saturday works for me.
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Great. It was nice talking to you, Daniel.
You too, Sarah. See you soon.